new one for you. I like the way that sounds. I'm about to do it for you. I like to break it down. This joint has got me open. Ooh, that's my favorite song. I put my thing in motion. I do it all night long.
Do you like me as much as I like you? Do you wanna run with me into the night? I'm just as sure about you as I know the sky's blue. Do you like me too, or do I have to fight you? Do you want me as much as I want you? Just your body language implies that you might do. I can't help but feel like the stage is exciting. Do you want me back, or is this unrequited? You pluck my heartstrings like I do on my guitar. I don't know who you are, but I know I'd like to. Like to tell you that I like you. Kinda scared of what you might do. If only I could read your brain. Do you like me as much as I like you? Do you wanna run with me into the night? I'm just as sure about you as I know the sky's blue. Do you like me too, or do I have to fight you? Do you want me as much as I want you? Just your body language implies that you might do. I can't help but feel like the stage is exciting. And I won't get so lost in your eyes. You're so pretty it hurts. I forget how to use my words. Just give me a moment of your time. Do you like me as much as I like you? Do you wanna run with me into the night? I'm just as sure about you as I know the sky's blue. Do you like me too, or do I have to fight you? Do you want me as much as I want you? Just your body language implies that you might do. I can't help but feel like the stage is exciting. Do you want me back, or is this unrequited? I don't know where this might go, but take it slow, just don't leave me in the cold. I don't know where this might go, but take it slow, just don't leave me in the cold.
I've been dancing in my room, swaying my feet, trying to get you love and a kiss on the cheek. Caught in candy skies like I'm stuck in a dream. And I've been feeling blue, you're the one that I need. Dancing in my room, swaying my feet, trying to get you love and a kiss on the cheek. Caught in candy skies like I'm stuck in a dream. And I've been feeling blue, you're the one that I need. And baby, how you give me reasons just to fight all of my demons. Yeah, I love it when you're speaking, 'cause you silence all my feelings. I'm feeling that I'm not okay, and everyone gon' run away and leave me in my room alone for just another day. I'm sipping on some lemonade. I wonder if you'll ever change. Fuck it, I don't even care. Maybe just come round my way. Dancing in my room, swaying my feet, trying to get you love and a kiss on your cheek. Caught in candy skies like I'm stuck in a dream. And I've been feeling blue, you're the one that I need. I've been dancing in my room, swaying my feet, trying to get you love and a kiss on the cheek. Caught in candy skies like I'm stuck in a dream. And I've been feeling blue, you're the one that I need. Dancing in my room, swaying my feet, trying to get you love and a kiss on the cheek. Caught in candy skies like I'm stuck in a dream. And I've been feeling blue, you're the one that I need.
see that you're smiling at me. Me derrite el corazón. You've been crossing my mind lately. Wanna know if I have crossed your shoes. Cause I want you, know you want me. So come on now, girl, I'm right here. Entrega los besitos, por favor. I wanna know, will you be mine? Just take a chance, don't waste your time. Cause you deserve to be with someone like me, baby girl. Will you be mine?
Know you got a thing to do instead, but it's running away, away. Hold it to my heart, it to my chest, got me hurting my brain, my brain. Say it's obvious that I don't need your love and mine. Gotta say me what you say, it's wrong, and I need you around. And I watch you walk for a minute. When did you turn so sensitive? And I watch you walk, baby, please. Why did you go and turn it down? Yeah, everything you want is everything I need. So why you walk away? This love is like a dream, but baby, turn around. You had me from the start. I'm losing all control. So go and break my heart. So good. So good. Took a couple months to get upset. Been avoiding the pain, the pain. Maybe I should go and catch my breath. I've been trying to explain, explain. Say it's obvious that I don't need your love and mine. Gotta say me what you say, it's wrong, and I need you around. And I watch you walk for a minute. When did you turn so sensitive? And I watch you walk, baby, please.
justify it. That's something we had enough. Now I'm feeling up, then down, down. Gotta figure out why, oh why. Why do I do the things I do for you? I'm much more concerned about tempering your feelings, but I ain't got no reason to do these things I do. Why do I do the things I do for you? I'm much more concerned about tempering your feelings, but I ain't got no reason to do these things I do. I can't even recognize it. The way that you changed. This ain't living, it's just surviving. It's driving me crazy. So tired of how you're dragging me down, down. Gotta figure out why, oh why. Why do I do the things I do? I'm much more concerned about tempering your feelings, but I ain't got no reason to do these things I do. Why do I do the things I do for you? I'm much more concerned about tempering your feelings, but I ain't got no reason to do these things I do. I decided to do with you. Don't you fight it, 'cause baby I'm through, baby I'm through. Why do you the things I do for you? I'm much more concerned about tempering your feelings, but I ain't got no reason to do these things I do. Why do I do the things I do for you? Much more concerned about tempering your feelings. I ain't got no reason to do these things I do. Things I do for you, yeah.
Said I promise you the world if you could do the same. I would go the distance if you could take the plane. If you kept me waiting on your word, would you give me nothing in return? mind, babe. Said you changed your state of mind with the clothes you wear, and nothing much changed since you cut your hair. I thought I wanted to see if you could be the only one. If you keep me waiting on your words, would you give me nothing in return? And I need to know if you'll be gone, but I guess your silence keeps me warm. How could you ever leave me without a chance to try? How can I be sorry if I don't know the crime? I should be mad cause you never told me why. Still, I can't seem to say goodbye. Ooh, yeah. When I try to fall back, I fall back to you. Yeah. When I talk to my friends, I talk about you. Yeah. When the Hennessy's strong, all I see is you, it's you, it's you. Yeah, ooh, yeah. No, I haven't moved on, but trust me, I tried. Yeah. If I give you a call, don't hang up the line. Yeah. When the Hennessy's strong, all I see is you, it's you, it's you.
I'm good at overthinking, but I haven't even got this far. All I know is in my mind is in the backseat of your Corvette car. You got me at my baddest, and you got me round your fingertip. Should be fed up with your boo, but everything about you know I can't resist. How could you ever leave me without a chance to try? How can I be sorry if I don't know the crime? I should be mad that you never told me why. Still, I can't seem to say goodbye. Ooh, yeah. When I try to fall back, I fall back to you. Yeah. When I talk to my friends, I talk about you. Yeah. When the jealousy's strong, all I see is you, is you, is you. I do. Ooh, yeah. No, I haven't moved on, but trust me, I tried. If I give you a call, don't hang up the line. When the jealousy
to say goodbye. Ooh, yeah. When I try to fall back, I fall back to you. Yeah. When I talk to my friends, I talk about you. Yeah. When the Hennessy's all I see is you, is you, is you. I do. Ooh, yeah. No, I haven't moved on, but trust me, I'll try. Yeah. If I give you a call, don't hang up the line. Yeah. When the Hennessy's all I see is you, is you, is you. I do. Yeah. You was cruising with your top down, 4th of July. I was moving down the block. We got caught at the light out my window. I was shooting my shot, watching fireworks in the sky. In the summers we let the top down, so could the light. All I wanted was just to lock down the love of my life. Nice and simple, like a midnight drive, watching fireworks in the sky. I'm calling it now, I'm calling it now, I'm calling it now. You'll find love with me somehow, yeah, somehow. I'm calling it now. We was moving kinda fast, but the feeling was right. We should cruise out to Nevada, get married tonight. Life is simple, long as you in my life. Watching fireworks in the sky. In the summers we spent our nights making love in the park. We was buzzing off cherry wine, looking up at the stars, soft and blissful. How you feel in my arms? Woke up, you were singing the song like, I'm calling it now, I'm calling it now, I'm calling it now. You'll find love with me somehow, yeah, somehow. I'm calling it now. Every line, every word, every noun and verb can define you. You were shy, but you told me to pull over, and I'm right behind you. I'm calling it now, I'm calling it now, I'm calling it now. You'll find love with me somehow, yeah, somehow. I'm calling it now. I'm calling it now, I'm calling it now, I'm calling it now. You'll find love with me somehow, yeah, somehow. I'm calling it now. Fire in the sky, yeah. Now I can see brighter days. Fire in the sky. Now I can see brighter days.
Hate, but people always hate the truth. Fuck it. Posting drugs all the time, don't fall for it. Posting guns all the time, don't fall for it. Posting money all the time, don't fall for it. Don't fall for it. Posting drugs all the time, don't fall for it. Posting guns all the time, don't fall for it. Posting money all the time, don't fall for it. Don't fall for it. Yeah. Promoting lean, but they say that for the U-type artists. Do as I say, not as I do type artists. Y'all are locusts, poisoning the youth for clicks. What's your addiction got to do with always posting this? Smiling, playing games, making skits, making making jokes with it. You can't say you're opposed to it when you're constantly promoting it. Y'all's Instagrams are drug abuse, how-tos, y'all condoning it. How you care about the youth but constantly corroding it. Now I won't say that you're facade in the pain, but you definitely posted drugs as a marketing game. You targeting fame, you can fool the youth but not me. You raising the next generation of addicts on IG, I promise you. That's not the very promising youth. You hate the truth, that's why the truth is bothering you. I know, your drugs get more likes than your music does. That's why you post drugs more than your own music, huh?
Posting drugs all the time, don't fall for it. Posting guns all the time, don't fall for it. Posting money all the time, don't fall for it. Don't fall for it. Posting drugs all the time, don't fall for it. Posting guns all the time, don't fall for it. Posting money all the time, don't fall for it. Don't fall for it.
Yeah. A lot of rappers telling on themselves for likes, it's a gimmick. You don't use guns, it just helps sell the image. If you really pulling triggers, you don't post guns. Cause you know they use that picture to take you from home. You got an image to uphold, I get it, you in your face test. You the tough guy who can't be tried to always stay strapped. Yeah, I see through it, you post gas and text. Cause without a lot of your songs just lack context. Making posts, bragging about some modified shit in the hopes that it evokes some more Spotify hits from the impressionable youth that's following you. Cause you ain't scaring no one grown and no one true. This ain't news to anybody in the know, but there's rules, y'all are fucking up the code, Only thing y'all ever shoot is the messenger. A lot of kids' favorite rapper is a wrestler.
Posting drugs all the time, don't fall for it. Posting guns all the time, don't fall for it. Posting money all the time, don't fall for it. Don't fall for it. Posting drugs all the time, don't fall for it. Posting guns all the time, don't fall for it. Posting money all the time, don't fall for it. Don't fall for it.
Yeah, a lot of rappers are broke, flying coach and be posting fake chains from jewelers who just want their promotion. Always showing 20s with 5s and 1s. You got 100 on each side to disguise the funds. Flip through it, show us the denominations. You should call the IRS and get some payment confirmations. I know your deals cause these lawyers talk. You ain't a boss, you got a boss, let your employer talk. Y'all in royalty splits, plus you signed to a guy that just did it JV. Now you signed to a guy that's signed to a company, and they got gluttony. They gon' eat and give you what's left. I feel the oven heat from here. Too many cooks in the kitchen, look around. You don't own shit from your masters to your account. Plus y'all don't tour, no TuneCore, your buzz plummeting. No indie catalog, you gave away your publishing.
Posting drugs all the time, don't fall for it. Posting guns all the time, don't fall for it. Posting money all the time, don't fall for it. Don't fall for it. Posting drugs all the time, don't fall for it. Posting guns all the time, don't fall for it. Posting money all the time, don't fall for it. Don't fall for it.
Panties bumping and making love. Got me with all these games you're playing. It's time for us to don't care about winning. Come on, baby, you got the answers. You ain't gotta be a dancer. All I need is your love, girl. You won't change my mind, and I can see you hesitating. So, baby, won't you give me something that I wanna do? When I see the sunset, oh girl, I think of you, baby. I think of you. You're all I want to. Your panties by my nightstand. Now I think of you. I think of you.
I wish every day was your day off. Going hard every night like it's the playoffs. You give me the energy I like to play off. Tell me, is the feeling mutual or am I way off? Be real, stay real. Pour your heart out, baby, I won't let it spill. I know the ones before me probably said they never will. And broken promises will break you down, but how you feel is not an illusion. I'm not trying to add to the confusion. Break your all access codes and abuse them. You laying over me cause you understand me. Swear I love you so much, I love your whole family. Bedroom dresser full of your panties. We make the room feel like summer Miami. No stressing whenever you leave, cause can't nobody in the world fuck you better than me.
We ain't gotta worry about a thing, about a thing, about a thing. I had demons all around, but they on holiday. I was worried about these problems, sorry not today. We too quick like underlay, singing we ain't gotta worry about none. It's that perfect day. It's that sunshine in my pocket. It's that 21st of May. It's that waltz man singing about ain't no work today. It's that roll up purple haze. It's that light it up, let it all circulate. Let it all circulate. When you gon' clap your hands, girl, feeling like Hercules. You really gotta keep my new shit sounding like Kurt Cobain. Just learn the tango, fuck you now with different angles, but we ain't gotta worry about a thing, about a thing, about a thing. I had demons all around, but they on holiday. I was worried about these problems, sorry not today. You too quick like underlay, when we ain't gotta worry about a thing, about a thing, about a thing. I had demons all around, but they on holiday. I was worried about them problems, sorry not today. You too quick like underlay, singing we ain't gotta worry about no. Really don't know what's meant to go, but some things go unintentional. Run around looking all intentional. You run around acting all sensible. It's like boo-hoo kid, get a sense of humor. Why the hell are you offended for? Really so mature that it's immature. Some things never make sense at all. I got I guess there ain't no paperwork to make it work. No, there ain't no label saying shake it first. No, getting mad will make it worse, y'all. So please don't take it personal. And we ain't gotta worry about it.